everybody, this is going to be a wig review slash hair review from Ywigs, and we're just going to jump right into it. So again, welcome back to my channel. I am Pretty P Collins. If you guys did not know, if you haven't been following me for a long time, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. My videos have been sporadic. Excuse that I am pregnant, so there's so much going on. But anyway, on to the hair review, because I really want to get into this wig, honey. I know all of y'all are like, okay, did this wig come red? Did she customize it? All that other good stuff. And the answer is no, it did not come like this, but it did come to me in a box like this from Ywigs, and they did send this to me to try out for you guys. This wig did not come red. I did bleach this unit. This unit is 18 inches and it is a 13x6 frontal unit. So just really quickly, what you get in the box, of course you guys get like a return and exchange policy. If you want to return it, normally all you have to do to return is don't cut the lace off and send it right back. They send you some wig caps, which thank God, because I don't know where mine are. And then they also send you a band, and there's some combs in here too. So that's also a big plus. All right, so that's honestly the only thing that came in here. This is a 18-inch body wave, and it's a 13x6 frontal unit. Now this unit does have like wefts. It is not like a full lace wig or anything like that. Literally it's just the 13x6 frontal that's unique to this unit. This wig did come to me super soft, very natural density. I don't feel like I have on a wig, which is a big plus to me. I don't like to feel wiggy at all. The hair quality was amazing. So jumping right into the coloring. Now I did bleach this unit. I bleached it one time and it gave me like a orangey blonde color. Nothing too drastic. It didn't take a whole lot. I did lift this with a 40 volume developer just because it was that 1B dark brown color. Now after that, I did do the boiling method with the hair color. I used the Adore Intense Red and Cajun Spice, and it just came out super red. I don't know if it's because the red is so intense, but you would think that the Cajun Spice would kind of tone it down a little bit, but no, this is like red, and I'm not mad at it because it's perfect for the summertime. In the boiling method, I literally dyed this in 2 minutes with the boiling method. If you guys have not tried that, like the watercolor with the hot water, and you put your color in there, mix it, and then dip your wig, I feel like I have been wasting so much of my life. But this wig literally dyed in 2 minutes, y'all. 2 minutes. This hair color was done. So I did let it air dry. One thing that I did notice after air drying it the first time, the hair after being bleached was dry. So what I did was re-wet it, and then I deep conditioned it for an hour. After that, this hair bounced back, honey. Let me tell you. Like, I was like really like, oh my God, I can't do anything to this now. It's fried. That deep conditioner will save your life, okay? I used the Queen Helene cholesterol for extremely damaged hair. 1 hour, rinsed it out, and this wig was brand new. So I just want to turn around so you guys can see the color, because it did color evenly. It did have like a little bit of like, it is a tiny bit splotchy in some areas where the bleach just didn't grab hold of the hair, but that's my fault because I got lazy when I got to the other side of my head. So other than that, this unit is amazing. I did not pluck this. It does come pre-plucked. I should have pre-plucked it, but I'm not going to, because as you guys can see, I've been wearing it for a while, so it's starting to lift. But I actually love the way that it looks right now. I did restyle this. This is not the body wave texture. I used a wave iron like the wand, the curling wand. Use the curling wand and literally just paddle brushed it out, and then the curls just, of course, come back together. But yeah, this is like a week. I have not retouched the curls whatsoever. Literally been laying like this. So yeah, I'm just really enjoying the unit. I do want to show you guys this parting space though. Like, I can part all the way back to here. Literally. I'm trying to show you guys without breaking my neck. But I can literally part it all the way back here. This is where my weft starts. So this is a 13x6. I do not have any powder or anything in my part, but I don't mind it. I actually, from far away, it's still giving the illusion of like natural. So I don't really go too overboard with my wigs because I don't wear them for that long. Now if I was doing something like really long term, then I would like really go hard with it. But because I don't, this is just, it's perfect. Another thing, even after the coloring and the bleaching and the boiling of the hair and styling it, this wig has not shed. Like, it only shed a little bit after I, you know, was cutting my lace across the top, but that's because I made like my hairline a little bit more straight when it came to here, because it has kind of like a swirl at first, and that's the only time that I lost hair with this wig. Other than that, this hair has been amazing, and I'm just super impressed with the hair quality, considering I was able to bleach this one time, literally one time, and that's it, and the color came out gorgeous. Now I have been considering doing like some dark roots maybe, but I'm feeling the red hair right now. I don't know what it is. But yeah, let me know if you guys are feeling this unit. I will leave links down below if you're interested in the unit. I do highly recommend Ywigs, and that's just based off the hair quality and how easy it was to bleach this entire wig. So again, let me know if you guys are feeling this, if I should add some dark roots or whatever. I like it. I love this wig. Okay, so one thing I have noticed too, this wig is a little tangly, but that's because I don't have anything on this hair, and I kind of, after I let it air dry, I just wanded it. I didn't brush it out or nothing. I'm lazy right now. But other than that, I think it's holding up really well to be installed for a week. Yeah, it's gorgeous. I'm gonna turn around one more time for you guys. 360. So yeah, I'm feeling it. I'm loving it. Absolutely love it. So yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. And because I forgot to do a bump update, I will do that in my next video. So look out for that, and I'll see you guys in my next video.